I have a haul for you guys today. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Karina from Per Diem Thrifts. If you are new here, welcome. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, and I also have my own brick-and-mortar consignment store. Today's video is in partnership with Temu. And if you guys don't know what Temu is, they are an online marketplace similar to Amazon, but like on the low. So like if you were to take Amazon and like the Dollar Tree and mix them together, their baby would be Temu. So I've been seeing videos about them all over TikTok and YouTube, and I've even seen other resellers talking about buying like shipping supplies from Temu or organizational tools from Temu. So obviously I was super stoked to try them out, and I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I found. Now, this is my first time ever buying anything from them or experiencing anything from them, so you're gonna get like my raw, honest opinion on all of these things. I'm gonna be honest, and I don't remember everything that I purchased, but I know that there's some like reseller related tools and also just some like personal stuff that I've purchased as well. If you guys are interested in any of the items that I'm gonna show you today, I will link them all down below along with a code for 30% off your purchase. So go ahead and check them out. You can shop for them online or also through their mobile app, and I will show you how to download their app and all of that at the end of this video. But I'm just excited. These have been sitting on my desk waiting for me to make this video, and I'm just like already so ready to tear into it. First thing I'm noticing though is the shipping. So like they just tape up some poly mailers, which is fine. I'm not sure exactly where these items come from, so I don't know how great this shipping option is. But I'm just gonna pull some stuff out and see. Yeah, like I literally don't even remember what I bought, but I'm really excited. It's gonna be kind of like Christmas. Oh. Okay, I'm already laughing at myself. Okay, so the first item is this little roll of stickers. I don't know if these are the exact stickers that Denali purchased, but I was watching her video and I know that she specifically wanted these thank you stickers from Temu. And so if Denali buys it, then obviously I have to buy it. I'm just kidding. These are really cute. They're holographic, so they actually match my poly mailers that I pack my inventory in. So those are super cute. Not mad at these. There's some like printing flaws to them, like the heart is cut out, and like that's fine for the price point. Like I'm not super mad at it. But that was the first item that I picked. I'm sure I bought more stickers. They might just be in this bigger package, but there's that. This next item, oh, they just sent me an empty bag. There's nothing in here. Okay, this next thing, I've been wanting one of these so bad, but I don't know why. I just like never committed to buying one on Amazon. So this is a USB chargeable lighter, and you can use this for candles or for whatever. I do love me a good candle, but I am like scared of fire, so like using a regular lighter or using a match just like freaks me out. I hope that this works. I'm excited to start using this, and you could just recharge it and keep using it, and then you don't have to buy lighters or matches or any of that. So this was really affordable as well. These next things, if you guys don't know this about me, I'm obsessed with cows. Cows are like my favorite animal. I love cows. Anything with cows on it, I'm like, it's mine. But I found all of these pens. So this first one is just has like a little cow head on it, and then these are all printed. So stinking cute. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy about these. This pen specifically, I've had similar ones, and I would purchase them from like little boutiques or whatever around here that carried them, and they're like $5 for one pen, which is crazy. But this was so inexpensive. I want to say it was like $1, maybe less. So I'm so happy that I have these again. Next, I'm really excited about this one because your girl loves a good checklist. But if you're like me and you like find so much satisfaction in like marking things off of your checklist, this could be a good one for you. But it's this little chores thing, and I'm gonna cover this probably and make it not say my chores, maybe like to do or something. But you just write out little tasks that you have to do, and then when you're done with it, you just slide it over. Like, it is so simple, but it's just so cute. And I was thinking I can use this for my employees that I have, or if I have other employees, so there will be like a daily list of things that they have to do in the store, and when they're done with it, they can just mark it over so I can make sure that they're doing what they have to do, and it's just straightforward. So cute. Very happy with this. They have this in other colors as well, but I love blue. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, this next item, I have no idea what it is. I wanna say it's probably a, like, bookends. That's probably what it is. These are probably bookends, but they're just acrylic bookends, and they just sit like this. So I think you put the books on this side. They're plain bookends, nothing crazy, but they're inexpensive and they're like minimal and chic. So I have a bunch of books that I keep here and they're just like stacked on my shelf. So I thought this would be just a way to keep them organized. Nothing crazy. If I wanted to add a sticker or something, I could. But yeah, happy with those. And the last thing in this first package is a clock, because I don't have a clock in here. Like, I don't have a clock in my office. I always rely on my computer or on my phone, and I just thought this one was super cute. You just plug it into a USB port. So that's the only thing, is it doesn't have like the actual plug-in. I'll have to get like a brick or something to plug it in, or plug it into my laptop or computer or something. But it is so cute. I'm really happy with this. I mean, I need to try it out and make sure that it works, but it's just so simple and so minimal. So this will be great to help me stay on track and make sure that I'm not wasting time anymore. So this is so cute. Really happy with that. Moving on to the next package. This is crazy how they tape it up. It's just tape everywhere. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. They're all just thrown in here, kind of. Oh, yeah, I found more stickers. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me empty this out first. I bought a lot of stationery stuff because I love like journaling, and I love just like doing, you know, projects and stuff. So there might be some random stationery pieces in here as well. Again, I don't remember everything that I bought. They packed all of these in these like really big mailers, but I'm not mad at it because I can totally reuse these for all my like higher end packages. So I'm happy with that. More stickers. These ones are super cute. These are also thank you stickers. Great deal if you just need shipping supplies. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but Temu offers free shipping and free returns. Cheaper than Amazon, then why not? And also, Daddy Bezos doesn't need any more money. This is a personal thing. I've been wanting one of these for a while too. Again, I just like never purchased one, but these are one of those like heat sealing things. So like if you open a bag of chips and you can like use this to reseal it and close it. Okay, I have to put batteries in it, and it has a magnet so I can keep it here, but I also keep snacks here in my office. So this will be really nice so that I can just seal it back up and I don't have to worry about it going stale or going bad or whatever. I also keep a bag of, or like a bin of snacks for Ryan. Since summer is coming up, she's gonna be here at my office with me more often because school is out, and so it's just nice to have that option here, and then I can just seal it up and keep it here. I might have to buy another one of those to bring home though. Okay, next bag. It's just funny to me how they ship these. Okay, this is, what is this? Oh, this is a little keychain. I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness, this is, I'm obsessed. Okay, so it says Fortune Shiba, and it's a little, I'm pretty sure this is like a Shiba Inu, but in a little cow costume. Oh my goodness, my first dog was a Shiba. My sister still has him, but I'm obsessed with this. I just bought a keychain, but you can never have too many keychains. These are just so adorable. I'm stoked about this. Again, like a lot of these are just unnecessary but so cute. More reselling tools. I got measuring tape because I always lose my measuring tape. So just having a bunch of these laying around is gonna be great. This was so inexpensive as well. I'm probably gonna take one of these and tape them down to my desk. I know a lot of people do that just to kind of make the measuring process a lot easier. This will also help when I have clients coming in for personal styling and I can measure them really quick also. So there were a lot of different options for measuring tape. I just got the soft one because it's easy to carry around and do all of that. I got a pack of hair ties because you can never have too many hair ties, and I love these kinds. They're like the really soft, like fabric almost feeling ones. I got this. I was like so shocked that they had these, but it was a little pack of crystals and it has a bunch of different kinds. I'm pretty sure this is like lapis lazuli, obsidian, what is this? Moss agate, lepidolite, howlite, labradorite, and Dalmatian jasper. I am a crystal girly. I don't know about you guys, but I love these. I love how small and compact they are. The only thing that I would be curious about is if these are actually authentic or not, like if they're real. They were so inexpensive though and so cute, so this would be a good gift. Also, if you guys have like gift things that you have to do, like Ryan's birthday is coming up and I'm gonna make like little goodie bags, this could be a good place to shop for those items as well. Speaking of little giveaways, I got some packs of stickers that I thought were really cute. They had such a huge variety of stickers because these are so just easy to throw into packages as freebies. When it comes to freebies and Poshmark packages, I don't love them. I usually throw them away, but stickers I definitely use, or I'll keep them and I will give them away to Ryan, or I'll give them away to little kids that come into my store. So I thought having just a few packs of stickers would be nice, so I can again put them in my Poshmark packages when I do live sales, or give them to little kids when they come into my shop. They love it. It's just a great way to like boost their mood, and they're so inexpensive as well. I can tell right here, these are all just like stationery things. These are all mainly sticky notes. I am a sticky note fiend. I freaking love sticky notes. And I bought different kinds. So if you're into sticky notes, this is going to be the sticky note section. First is just these plain colors, but I love these colors. Blue is like my favorite color, so I got this one, and then I got this like teal color. I'm pretty sure these are transparent, so these are ones that I will peel off and maybe put in like books that I'm reading or in my planner, so I can still see what's underneath, but they're just fun. I love stickers. These are book tab ones, so these are like when I'm reading a book and I want to annotate it, I can stick these on the side, and they're just cute, man. There's not really much else I can say about it. More sticky notes. So these have the bigger sizes. I think these are also transparent. They might not be. And then they have these little sizes, and then it also came with these mini book tab ones as well. I actually don't think these are transparent, but I love the colors of these. There are literally like websites that sell just straight up sticky notes, and they're so expensive, and so just getting these options of all the different colors for just not that much of an investment is great, because then I can have all the different colors and not feel like I'm wasting money on adhesive paper, because that's essentially what I'm doing. Okay, moving on to the next bag. I am like really stoked about these because I get to reuse them. If you watched my last video about my ship with me, I was talking about reusing shipping supplies, so there's that. These are the most adorable little crates, and I don't know where I'm gonna use them yet, but I'm sure I can find a cute place for these. I could put all of, okay, these are pretty. They just snap in. And I have a little crate, and I got it in another color so I can like stack them. But I could just put all of my little stickers in here. Where's the other one? Just put all of my little rolls of stickers. I have my one that I make with my Rolo, and I could just put that one in here as well. But yeah, not bad. And then I can stack them. Super cute. Okay, happy with that. I'm so glad. I was just at a store earlier and I almost bought some pens, and I'm glad I didn't because I have these. So these are Milky Liners gel ink pens, large ink volume supply. I'm really excited to try these out. I love a good pen. I have so many pens. Really excited to try these out. And then I got these pigment liners, and I believe they're all in different pen sizes. So I bullet journal, and so I love having different options of thickness for pens and markers so that I can like draw different things. And so when I saw this, I was like really excited because compared to like a regular like fine line marker or liners, this was so inexpensive and just more accessible. When you do bullet journal or when you're into stationery, I feel like you spend so much money on tools and supplies, so just having an option to be able to buy and test other things out and not feel like you're breaking the bank is great. So really excited to try these out. Next, this is probably one of the things that I was the most excited about, and I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but I was so excited to get this. I didn't even know that these existed, but these are monitor memo boards. So you can actually stick these onto the sides of your monitor. So they would like be on the sides of your computer like this, and then you can write on them. They're like dry erase, so you can use a dry erase marker and write on them, or you can put stickies on them and like leave yourself notes. I literally just have notes sticking all over my monitor, so it'll be nice to have these so I have more space to put notes for myself, or just take them off the monitor and have them on here. But really excited. I'll show you what it looks like on my monitor when I put it on. I have a Mac. This is literally what I was the most excited about to have. This next one, totally personal. I almost bought, actually I did buy one. I just realized I just bought one, a similar one. But I was supporting a small business, so it's okay. Okay, so this next one. Last Halloween, we had a witch's walk. We have this every year in my town. And I was looking for a crown, like a crystal crown. And no one had it. The crystal store didn't have any. It was gonna take too long if I ordered it from Amazon. So I bought this so that I will never have to need a crystal crown ever again. But look at how pretty that is. Again, I don't know if these crystals are real or not, but it has quartz, amethyst, and aventurine. This is so extra. I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear this besides during the witch's walk, but like, okay, ow, that hurts. That hurts my head. I'll have to figure out how to put it on cute. But there you go. How freaking cute is that? Just to have, like, do I need it? No. But I'm just gonna have it now. And then I'll find an excuse to wear it. But super cute. Okay, last two things are a little bit bigger. I have no idea what this is. Absolutely no idea. The last one I'm gonna show you. I'm excited about. But this one, we shall see. Okay, I'm like kind of nervous to open this. It's glass. And I have no idea what I bought. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm really happy about these. But look at it. It's a freaking mushroom cup. There's two of them. I'd just be nervous that it would break. But this is adorable. I think I might buy this more and like gift it to friends. Because this is so stinking cute. I have no idea what I'll drink in this. It's like barely a drink. I don't even drink alcohol, so I don't know. I'll put my coffee in here or juice or something. It is so cute. Wow, it's really thin glass though. I feel like it's very delicate, so I would just be careful about that. But wow, very, very happy about this. This is so like just aesthetically pleasing. See, it was like a little surprise, like a little gift to myself because I didn't remember what it was. Okay, taking that back. And then the last thing, so happy about this one. This was like, I was again shook that it was on this website and that it was the price that it was. So if you guys are in the market for a LED, is this LED? Like a neon light? I got it for you right here. I have a custom one that I paid a good chunk of money for off of Etsy, and I love it. But look at this. I hope you can see it. It says good vibes. I will show it to you guys while it's plugged in so you can get a look at it. It just plugs in with a USB. It's supposed to be pink, so I'm so excited. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it somewhere, maybe in my store. Like, imagine this on top of a mirror, so like when you take a selfie, it says this. So cute. So cute. I'm really happy with this. But yeah, this is my whole haul from Temu. Future Karina jumping in really quick, but if you guys want to check out Temu, it is available in the App Store and for Android, and it is free to download. They have such a wide variety of products available, like the ones that I showed you. They also have clothes, appliances, electronics, just a whole bunch of items that you can use for day-to-day life or in your business as well. They offer free shipping, and they provide processing and shipping times when you are shopping in the app. You'll receive a tracking number when you place an order, and Temu also has a 90-day free return policy and a $5 credit that you can get if their shipments are late. Their app is so easy to navigate. You can search specifically what you're looking for or go through the categories to see what tickles your fancy. Again, if you guys are interested in anything that I purchased, there's a link in the description that shows everything that I mentioned here, everything that I've ordered, and there's a code for 30% off. So if you guys just want to kind of browse around the app and see what you can find, there was definitely more options for like different shipping supplies, different stickers, and other things that you can utilize for your reselling business, like thermal printers or thermal labels. I didn't even go there because I don't need it, but yes, I was very happy with their selection, and I will probably be purchasing from them again. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye! bye.